Here are the 4 highest paying content topics that every individual, if you're a content creator and if you're minding about earning money on social media. When I'm talking about social media, I'm meaning Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs, is it Twitter, all these social media platforms. This month of April, you should focus on this. Each of them, most of them have high paying, they have that high paying power as in terms of RPM, in terms of CPM, in terms of earning rate, all these ones. If you see them, they are very marketable. But before that, let me give it to your attention that this is Christine on Immaculate Show. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video and welcome back to my channel. You guys, a disclaimer, I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not here to give you money. I'm not here to say that the moment you start what we are talking about, you're going to be a financial giant. No, what we say or what I say is that, please, these are the few tips that I know. These are the few tips that I've used. 2 to 10% of them have been used by around 2% of people, not even very many people. So can you try them? How do you try them? You go out there, research. The moment you find you can do them, you jump on the go. you see what you can do. So this is an educational video. Take it as an educational video because it is educational video. I give you tips. We have other platforms, other YouTube platforms, Facebook platforms, Instagram, but major Immaculate Show, we bring for you tips. We bring for you the secrets, the things that you might not be knowing. Some of you might be doing it for fun. Others might be doing it to pastime. Others are just vibing. But me, I come here and I tell you, do you know, baby girl, here in this place, you can get money if you focus on this. So let's dive in and see what are these high paying topics that in particular Apple you should focus on as a creator, irrespective of any type of smartphone you have, irrespective of any country you're in. These ones will work for you. Let's dive in. But to my special engagers, you guys, I love you so much. I mean the top ones, please come near. That's yours, lovelies. So the first one is making money and side hustle content. What do I mean here and why do I say it pays well high? It pays high because brands are more interested in you who is talking about making money and side hustles. So a lot of high brands, premium ones, they put adverts and these adverts are always premium. So it is paid highly. So what you need to do, you need to make sure that every time you're going to focus on your content, at least if you know you are not in that line, but you can channel it and feel. If you're in travel, for example, you can start saying, oh guys, I'm traveling to Abu Dhabi, but how much will it cost me? Or how much does it cost to travel in private car? Or you travel in a is it called these public RTA buses, or you travel in taxi? So that one you bring in some side hustles, especially for people who want to venture into doing that business. Or how do you make money in any other platform? So the second one is real estate. Real estate and investment, that is what you should focus on this month. When you focus it on this month, it brings in high advertisers with big budgets. Just imagine a real estate in Dubai, a real estate in Uganda. As long as it is real estate, is it in East Africa, West Africa, or in Asia, it attracts big money industries. And the moment it attracts those people, it will pay you big. So when you're doing something concerning this, look for the way you can bring a hook and a hook. Like, for example, in this Apple, even if you're not rich, you think about getting your apartment, think about getting an investment. Can you invest in this or the other? Then another third topic or third niche, it is an AI, tech and online tools. AI is it is taking over. So since it is taking over, the tech companies are ready to spend high money, are ready to spend a lot of people to reach users. I've received a lot of people telling me, can I use their AI? They are developing this. So they want collaboration. And now, suppose you also do the content that I do, people are going to look for you. So you can imagine if you're doing the some of your content is like me. I can say I've used 1 hour to make more than 10 videos because of AI. That is one way. And this is here, I have done it. Like now, I've used 1 second to make a transcript for this video that you're watching, and I use ChatGPT. It's an AI. So this one will attract the CPM, which is more than 40. Trust me. And this is how we are betting the game. And if you go to high earning rate, it will attract more than $2. It is very abnormal for Facebook. Facebook, most people earn 0.0 something. So the fourth one is personal finance and smart living. You will ask yourself why it pays much. It pays much because it involves with banks, it involves with apps, it involves financial services, and even, you know, they go ahead, we have these microfinances, they will compete for you. So the moment you start it, you can even hike it. You can put a good hook, like this is how smart people survive. Like right now, this is how we survive. Most people in the United Arab Emirates survive in a way that I've come to learn that there is an app called Cash Now. Most people are using that. Another app, I'm using an app called Tap Tap Send. Sending money in Uganda is easier for me at the comfort of my home, like the one I'm seated. I send as low as 10,000, as low as $10, as low as $5. I'm trying to show you the personal finance and smart living. Smart living, how do you live smart within your home, within your community, and that. So all these ones, as you are talking this, as you're giving it, I'm just giving you an example. But if you invest yourself in the personal and finance, if you invest yourself in tech and online tools, if you invest yourself in investments and real estates, you find you're focusing from day one. Trust me, the money you're going to scoop this month is going to be awesome. So if you're there and you are, for example, you're a person who has been taking 5 months, 10 months without seeing the earning, and even if you're going to get earning, you get 0.0 something, please try and make sure you follow these techniques. So as I told you, I'm very pleased for our top engagers. I love you so much. And even if you know you have joined us yesterday, you're new, no worries. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. We are there. Our aim is major to make sure that we be financially free. We become passively free. You know, you're sleeping and money is coming. And this is one way of doing it. Thank you very much, you guys. Share this video to any creator there, such that this month of April should not go in vain. We want at least every person that has a smartphone to be knowing how you can use the smartphone. And don't forget to put in the comment section what you feel you want me to tell you about as far as your smartphone, your internet, and your social media platforms. God bless you for me. See you in another video. Bye-bye.